Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not, and I'm here to explain you about Heels reviews. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. And let's check out the website's homepage. This is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United Kingdom that deals with women's fashion wear or clothing, or you can say multiple products. So let's check out the product category option. So guys, they are offering girls clothing, shoes and accessories, houseware, baby and kids items, pet supplies, tools, sports and outdoor items, etc. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's check out the payment information, and for that you need to visit the payment method section. So guys, this is the payment information. They have mentioned the main mode of payment is PayPal, and apart from that, in the FAQ section you will get the entire information related to payment options. So yes, they accept payment via PayPal credit card including Visa, MasterCard, Discover and American Express debit card. Now let's check out the shipping policy of this website. For that you need to visit the shipping information section, and they have not provided the standard shipping duration. Now let's check out the FAQ section again to review the shipping duration time. So guys, they have mentioned that shipping times vary as they do ship worldwide from different fulfillment centers based on the location. So they have not provided the standard shipping duration. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So guys, this website is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 6th of August 2020, and we have found that this particular domain is registered for 1 year only. So guys, this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. We need to define or discuss more factors. So let's check out the About Us page of this website to know more about this website. So this is the About Us section guys, but you can see they have provided fake About Us information. They used duplicate content on their About Us page. So this is a negative sign. Now let's check out the contact details of this website. So guys, here they have not mentioned or provided contact details including official address or contact number, but yes, they have provided an email address which does not matches with the domain name, which is a bad sign. And talking about social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all, which is again a red high alert, and it shows that the site has an unknown trustworthiness score. Now talking about return policy, let's check out the return policy page of the site. And here you can see the website has mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And guys, talking about Heels reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet. And the site seems to be not much popular online. The website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. And according to our study or research, we have found that the site has used content of other sites, which is a characteristic of a scam website. And this particular site is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa traffic rank. So guys, these are the points or loopholes that define its fakeness. So in the final conclusion, the website appears to be suspicious. You should stay away from such type of suspicious websites. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.